Warning signs that you have a gluten intolerance. Many of these symptoms occur shortly after consuming gluten. However, the exact combination of symptoms can vary. Here are symptoms of a gluten intolerance. Number 1. Abdominal pain. Similarly, several different causes can lead to abdominal pain. But, again, those reporting gluten intolerance often note experiencing abdominal pain frequently, and without another obvious reason. Number 2. Fatigue. Fatigue is another symptom that people may find hard to identify, as it can have a lot of different causes, many of which are not related to any medical condition. People with gluten intolerance may have persistent feelings of tiredness that impair daily functioning. Number 3. Nausea. People with gluten intolerance may also experience nausea, particularly after consuming a meal containing gluten. Nausea can have many causes, but if it often occurs after eating gluten, it can be a sign of gluten intolerance. Number 4. Diarrhea and constipation. Those who report gluten intolerance say regular instances of diarrhea and constipation are a common symptom. Occasionally having such digestive issues is normal, but experiencing them on most days can indicate an underlying condition. People with celiac disease may also experience diarrhea and constipation. They may also have poop that smells particularly unpleasant, as the condition causes poor nutrient absorption. Number 5. Bloating. Another very common symptom that people report in cases of gluten intolerance is bloating. This refers to the feeling of a full stomach that is uncomfortable and lasting. It is common also to feel a buildup of gas. Overeating is the most common reason for bloating, but it can happen for a number of different reasons. In people with gluten intolerance, the feeling of bloating may occur very regularly, and is not necessarily related to the amount of food they eat. Number 6. Other symptoms. People with gluten intolerance may experience several of these symptoms on a regular basis. It is also possible for other symptoms to occur with gluten intolerance, although they are less common. These may include joint and muscle pain, depression or anxiety, confusion, severe abdominal pain, anemia. Number 7. Headaches. Experiencing regular headaches is another symptom that can occur in people with gluten intolerance. People who suspect they have a gluten intolerance should seek medical attention before making any dietary changes themselves. If someone does not have celiac disease, but feels better when they reduce their consumption of gluten, they must take care when making dietary changes. Care is essential so that they avoid adverse health consequences, such as vitamin deficiencies. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.